Pexel Stock Honest Review Watch Before Using. Pexel Stock Honest Review Watch Before Using. You won't believe what happens next when you realize how many businesses pay for stock photos they could be using for free. Pexels is a free stock photo and video platform offering thousands of high-quality images and clips for commercial and personal use. Creators can use Pexels content without attribution, making it extremely popular among bloggers, marketers, and social media managers. The surprising truth about Pexels is that many images rival paid stock platforms in quality. From lifestyle photography to business visuals and drone footage, the library continues to grow daily. Most people get this wrong, but free does not mean low quality. Many professional photographers upload content to Pexels to gain exposure. Pexels is ideal for website owners, small businesses, and content creators who need quick visuals without licensing headaches. If you want professional visuals without extra cost, Pexels is a powerful creative resource. Subscribe to the channel for more digital creator tools.